What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty Mine, and today we're going to be installing this beautiful 99J wig from Incolor Wig. They were nice enough to send me this 24-inch 13x4 frontal, and I customized it perfectly for you guys just so you can see how good it looks. So today's going to be a whole detailed installation. Stay tuned if you're interested in how I did it from beginning to end. So starting off, we're going to be using Crown Care's lace tint spray in the color medium brown. This is my first time using a lace tint spray. I sprayed it on the lace and blow dried it. I didn't record me spraying it because it was very hard to record, but it matched my skin perfectly. And I got like my perfect color for my part and everything, so I was very happy. But right here, we're just going to be cutting off the ear tabs, getting into installation. You don't want your wig to be on your ears or nothing, so I just cut my ear tabs off. And then I like to cut slits in my wig so that my wig can be applied in 3 sections. I already did the ball cap, but we're getting into installation. And today we're going to be using Lily Beauty Empire's clutch glue to install this wig. You guys can find her on Instagram at LEELEE Beauty Empire, because I might forget to tag her down below, but if not, check down below. But yeah, for the glue, we're going to be doing 3 layers, letting them dry in between each layer. You guys know how it goes. I feel like at this point, everybody gets the general idea of how to do the glue. I always like to make sure my layers are touching the cap on the very end so that it's pressing the cap down into my skin, if that makes sense, so that it's not lifting up or coming off easier than the wig is, like underneath your cap sliding off and stuff. So I like to make sure the glue's on the edge, so that's why I did it here. So this is my 3rd and final layer. After this, we're going to be pulling the wig up and installing it. You want to make sure your hairline is a little bit in front of the glue or directly on top of it. I wouldn't even recommend doing directly on top, just a little bit in front of the glue, honestly. That's how I like to do it. And it just makes sure that there's no glue line around my forehead, because it's very hard to get glue off, almost impossible to get glue off your forehead if you have extra. So I just like to do that, prevent any glue residue on my forehead in front of the lace. It's very obvious and not very cute at all, especially since this look, I didn't want to do baby hairs in the front. I'm just doing my other 2 sides, doing the exact same method. Everything's exactly the same. So I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all watch this, and then I'm gonna get right back to y'all. So this is my final side. Y'all can see I'm doing the same method. I already did my glue or whatever. I just fast forwarded past that. But what I did forget to mention is you really want to make sure you comb the lace into the glue so that it doesn't lift. And then I'm going to be cutting off all my sections in zigzag parts, because that is the best way to do it for most natural results. You can see I cut off some hair. It's no big deal. Like, lace is meant to be cut, and hair, some of the hair in the front may not make it to your install, and that's okay. Like, don't be scared to cut the hair off, because that was one of my biggest mistakes when I first started, trying to cut exactly how the hairline came. So here I am. This is what you need to do if you have areas where the glue didn't touch. I'm just taking my glue on my rat tail comb, and I'm taking it under the parts that did not get glued down. And then I use the back of my comb to press it down once the glue is clear. So here I'm using Lily Beauty Empire's wax stick to wax my part down. And I love this wax stick because it's so heavy and it's really hard to get off of the stick, but that means that it's not all oily on your hair. It's like really durable and heavy. I can't explain it, but I'm hot combing that into place. I already kind of had the part picked out, and I already plucked the part and everything on my mannequin head, so It was kind of already in the general area I wanted to be in, but here I am just hot combing it into place officially. And y'all can see I'm doing kind of like a little swoop. It's not really a swoop bang, it's more like a side part, and I just want to make sure that my side part is really pronounced. So I'm hot combing the front of the hairline to make it go back and then to the side like this. Next, we got to get into the baby hairs. This look has extremely basic baby hairs, and I'm not gonna walk you guys through this right now. This is not how I usually do them, so I mean, you go watch this, but if you want a video on baby hairs, then I would be happy to give y'all one. But for now, I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all watch. This is one thing that I want to make sure I point out though. I use the Gorilla Snot on my edges as well as my baby hairs, all of the edges that are going to be exposed, just to make sure my hair is sitting back and in place. That's the best way to make your hair look sleek and out of your face effortlessly. So even on the front, I don't know why I didn't show it, but I put Gorilla Snot up there too. And then right now we're just going to be tying it down so that it could really melt down in there. And then I'm finally taking it off. These are our final results. I don't know why there's a line on camera showing like the lace or whatever, but in person this lace was invisible. I included the picture in the outro to show y'all though. But yeah, that's all for this install, you guys. That was beginning to end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair came out. It's very much cute and sleek and flat. Y'all know I never do side parts, but today I just like, while I was styling this wig, in my mind it looked the best in a side part, so I just went with that, and I'm so glad I did. I'm in love with this wig right now, and I'm feeling so cute. Y'all don't know how it feels to go without hair when your hair's always done, so I just feel like I haven't had hair on in a minute because the whole weekend I didn't do any work and didn't have my hair done at all. Y'all might be able to see a light band around here. There's nothing I can do about that. It's just what happens when I show up on the camera, especially if I just put makeup on it. But after like a couple days of having it tied down, it doesn't show up anymore. But like, it's only in front of bright lights, so obviously I have like a whole setup thing going on. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna show y'all how far it comes down on me, because we could do that now. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in that corner over there. All right y'all, so this is where the hair comes on me. In the front, it like stops at my waist, a little bit above it though. It looks much better like back here because I think this hair looks better longer and not shorter. But yeah, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this review of this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the pretty gang so you can be pretty gangster like me, okay? Sorry to end it like this, not very professional, but I don't feel like resetting back up my camera, so I'm gonna end it right here. I love you guys. As always, check out the company down below in the description box and stay tuned for my next video.